If you're a steel producer, you're probably getting requests from your customers for EPDs or environmental product declarations, and you might be seeing pressure to meet decarbonization targets in 2030 and beyond. While EPDs are a great way to demonstrate your product excellence and certify your steel for Buy Clean, LEED certified, and other projects, they can cost tens of thousands of dollars and months to complete per product. So how can you keep up with these EPD requests across dozens of materials or facilities while still having the time and resources to achieve your broader impact reduction goals? Let's get into it. In CarbonGraph, you can easily create and manage lifecycle assessment models based on your real data to use for product or facility EPDs. Here, we're making a facility-level model of a steel production process. CarbonGraph lets you build processes block by block to mirror your facility operations and track their associated impacts. Each card represents a process step that we are linking together to build the model. We can create input and output exchanges to connect to other upstream and downstream processes. For example, our secondary steelmaking step requires liquid steel, steelmaking alloys, electricity, and a slag treatment. This outputs 1 ton of refined steel that goes on to billet casting. By connecting all these cards together, we can describe our full steel production process. After we build our environmental impact model, we can confirm our results by looking at the Sankey diagram of our model here, showing that most of the impact comes from the electricity mix and the DRI, or direct reduced iron step of the process. This data can be shared with your team or independent program operator. You can also send them the data via API or export to a spreadsheet to validate your EPD by a third party. If you have multiple products or facilities, CarbonGraph makes it easy to build LCAs and EPDs at scale. You can create parameters and set limits to manage the inputs to your steel production process, run analyses with those changes, and export several data sets at once. Custom templates, parameterized models, and linked processes give you the speed and control to scale your EPD creation process, whether you have one facility or dozens. And EPDs are just the start. CarbonGraph's data model is perfect for CBAM, Scope 3 reporting, ecodesign improvements, energy and operational planning, and more. See your future impacts project by project, quarter by quarter. Whether you're working with an internal reporting team or with one of our consulting partners, build impact assessments quickly and cost-effectively to explore and verify your product environmental impact. Contact CarbonGraph for a free 1-hour consultation to get your first model built today.